Peace out, siblings, and today we are doing another open toys challenge. Oh, that hurt. Now he's gonna open his own bubblegum machine. What he got for Christmas? Just
instructions.
I'll read instructions.
Blah blah blah.
I know how to read. It's just that it's silly.
This
So,
looks
and then I
sparkles.
got do. Mash it up. Look at that.
I want to have some ball here.
So we're gonna start opening all of these up at the same time and then see our corrections. So let's get
Dum dum.
baking. I mean making. How do you open this? I don't know how. Oh, you open it like that.
Mine's gonna be easy peasy.
Right?
You get self-tape bit.
And please check our YouTube channel out and subscribe. One of the YouTube channel is Galaxy M, who's our sister, Baby Jojo, who's our brother, and Mitty Bubblegum, who's me. And I hope you check my channel because I am doing a new game until I get. Is my computer here? No, or not? No. Is it? If I got my computer, I could download Roblox and do the thing. So I'm gonna download the app for it, and then an app what films the game, just the game, not your hands, like other YouTube, like Shadow Lady, like other YouTubers. But let's keep opening because I can't open this. And how do you subscribe to all our channels?
3. So I'm trying to open it. Oh, this is the front. Look at that token bit. At the back.
Wow.
Mommy!
So
And you see there's colours.
that's the top part.
Ooh. Oh.
This is how you take it.
You get the other part as well. Get the other part. Let's have a look at the other part.
Oh, this is so
Ooh,
heavy. It's so heavy.
All right, we need to get the batteries. Where's the screwdriver?
You're supposed to press these two and then this.
Yeah, I know.
See the balls.
I watch people play.
There's the balls. Where's the balls?
I know.
So
How do I open
this
mine?
is the pinball
Ugh.
machine.
Oh shoot! This is.
Oh, wrong way.
Wow.
That's the wrong way. So you've got it's a bonus, super,
Leah, how do you actually
pinball,
open it?
GumBall machine.
Oh shh!
Mommy!
Which Jojo?
No! Look! The crabber, look!
Right.
The thing is running. The thing. Oh, I fixed it. I'm such a fixer. Get it?
Look, it's stuck.
This fixed stuff.
It's stuck.
I'll
Very
get out.
strange.
Leah, you dropped off the lid.
So what you have to do is open the
Well, we
back.
don't have the balls. Why do you do it? I'll do the filming. I'll do the filming.
Mom, scissors. Guys, so we got the box out. So now there's a white bit over there. I don't know what it is.
I don't know how to turn to open yet.
So this is what it looks like when it's done. And JJ is going to put
I need to
the
open
bubble
them.
gums in.
I'm supposed to open them.
Yeah, but Mom can do it. Open them. Where is it?
Can I put it first?
But you done.
Um,
You do the one.
No, just want to play.
Okay, yeah.
Why the thing is?
I'm actually gonna do it all.
I'll put this all.
That's why I'm doing it slow. Whoa,
That's not slow.
that is slow.
We'll put that Maya and Jojo here. But Jojo is
deeper. That's wait.
Maya's not slow.
Once I have a bubblegum machine.
You have to come around
I
here
was
and do it.
watching manga too,
Come here.
people. I was watching manga.
So you're going to have to play this way. You have to play this way, yeah? Brilliant. So everyone can see.
How do I
Turn it-
get
You have
this?
to turn it on the other way. Turn it on upside down.
Don't turn it on.
Oh guys, it comes with batteries.
Yeah, it comes with battery.
You ready?
Yeah, I don't know how to do
The
it.
bubblegum didn't take off. The bubblegum
Reset.
doesn't.
Reset.
Reset.
Let me reset. Let me reset. That's reset now.
Then
Ping. Wait,
The
it's
bubble
not
gum supposed
working.
to. The bubble gum
Should
supposed to.
Remove ball lock from bottom to start.
Remove. It's right here, I think.
I think it's that one. Yeah.
How's the bubble gum supposed to?
No,
go
that's
out?
not it. That's not it. That's for these.
How's the bubble gum going to?
And this is how you shoot. Hey! Oh, shit.
Where did you get the bubble gum from?
It's, you need to get a higher score.
I want the bubble
Hey,
gum.
stop!
I just want the bubble gum.
I can't do it now! It's Lia's turn. That was Lia's
That's
turn.
my turn.
I got 80 score. That's
It's
so
my
hard.
turn. I have to be around.
But you can't sit on my seat. You can't sit on my seat.
So you sit on my seat.
Well, you can't. Okay. How am I going to get this order? Okay. Oh my gosh.
You're actually going to be kidding me.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how
I
to
do it.
Guess what?
A blue gummy ball.
I'm a winner. Every single game, I always win. And this bubble
You
gum is
don't
going to be for you. And now, I'm going to do it
Yeah.
again so I can do my
Move
one.
nearer. Over the side.
Now it's my
Okay.
turn to do you.
It's okay. Oh, wait. I have to get the ball in. The ball just came. How did... Go like that. Okay. You're stuck. No, wait.
That's quite fun.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
About 3 more minutes. Wow, go on. Hit it hard. Wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, Leah. Wow. Again. Something.
I'm
My
going
turn.
to do so much now. I'm going to do so
Leo,
much. Wait, look. Let me do
JJ's go.
Wait, let me do one more.
Oh my God, Leah's great.
Wait.
Hey, down with
What?
sheet off.
60.
I do it.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
That's
This
my
one's going to be
favourite.
for Mum. Purple is a heart.
That's my
No,
one.
JJ's turn.
What I like.
JJ's turn. Wow, go on, Jay. Ooh.
Oh, wait,
Go
no.
on.
You set score. You're my one. Now
Oi.
you're on 0.
Oi!
You don't,
Hey.
you don't know how to be on my score. Come on.
Go on, JJ. Yay.
This game is so fun.
I can't even do it! I'm not even hitting.
Look, I'll do it.
I do it.
Like this.
Don't give up. And Leah's just, oh, killing it.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, man.
Wait, you dropped it. That's a hard one.
Nearer here.
Oh. Loser.
No, Lisa, how dare you say that? People on YouTube will be like, what?
I do it. I do it.
Bring it over here.
Oh
Yo, that's really awesome.
What? So people, my box is ready open. Should we move on to Liam?
Yeah. I got a purple.
You got a pink one.
Wait,
How
I got
did you
two.
get 2? I'm gonna spit this out.
Okay.
Ugh.
Nothing to see here. Where do we put it?
Again.
I'm glad
Wow.
that. That's better. This is how you do it. Oh, you're
Leah.
standing right there. Don't say loser to me.
I'm not loser.
You said loser.
I'm going to kill.
Oh my gosh, this looks bad.
Did we move on to Leah's
I
now?
puked. It's up to Mum.
Yes.
Okay. It's finally my turn. I want to take some
Actually, no. 4 minutes left.
more.
Let's finish with this, yeah? Wow. I love the sound.
100. Really? 100.
Oh my god. Joey.
What's that?
JJ.
Oh, that's not fair. 0, 0, 0 is on 0, 0, 0.
JJ wanted a bubblegum machine, a big one, but we couldn't get one.
Yeah, but this one is better.
But luckily I found this. Hey. Leah.
I'm not cheating.
Leah.
Please stop for Leah though. That's not fair. That's not fair. That one kicked it all the way back. And that's great. You roll four. Oh, this rough is gonna be rough. I think I turned it into rough. Wait, there's a question for one of these YouTubers. I really got 60. Well, I know Shadow Lady's favorite pet, cats. I thought it was dogs, but still I love cats and dogs. But sometimes the cats get, crazy about everything. So I love dogs and cats, but it gets really cool.
I love it when it does that, it's great.
I like the noise. How much time is it? It's time for me. 2 minutes.
Leah, your turn, you'll go now.
My turn, lady. My turn. Leah, I thought it was your turn. No, my turn on that one.
This is it, just this one. Put it here. We want lots of lights now, Leah, and lots of bubble gums coming out.
Okay.
Lots of lights and bubble gums. Ready?
She only gets 5 guns.
Go, Leah. 100, Leah, 100.
Oh my god. Restart. No, you can't restart my. Yeah, you. No, I'm going back on 4. I'm still keeping my one. I don't know what it was. You only got 4. I reckon I got 4 still. 3. You got 3 chances left. You didn't got me bubble gums. I got 2.
Why is it not doing it?
That was a new.
Did you see that?
2 more.
Wait, did the ball went in?
Did get up to 50.
Woohoo! I'm still carrying on. There's no. There has to be lines of bubblegum. Is that right, Mum? Okay, that's 1.
Can I just have 1?
1 minute now, but this is the one. Have to make.
Have 1 done.
No, the pink one.
No! You're not allowed to eat them yet.
Pink. That's not fair. So I felt really happy when I played it. You don't play it when you're talking. Yeah, I know. Do not play it when you're talking. Do not play when you're talking. I'm Hello Neighbor. That's the game I'm going to download on my.
So, guys, what did you think of this one? This pinball?
The pinball was so messy.
Jay, how would you like to rate this?
I'm going to play this every day.
How would you like to say 10 out of 10?
I don't